Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fat loss poha, easy method. Use a non-stick pan, spray 1 teaspoon oil, and lightly toast 2 cups flattened rice until warm. Add 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, and 1 cup mixed vegetables, sauté briefly. Season with 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon chili, and salt to taste. Finish with fresh lemon juice and chopped coriander, then serve warm. Keep poha light by choosing thin flattened rice and limiting oil to a light spray or 1 teaspoon max. Add protein like cooked chicken, tofu, or dal to boost satiety without many extra calories. Use plenty of vegetables such as peas, carrots, and bell pepper for fiber and volume. Temper mustard seeds and curry leaves for aroma, then fold gently. Adjust spices and lemon to balance flavor without added sugar or heavy sauces. Quick recommendation: if you like smart home help, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for effortless cleaning between meal prep sessions. It offers voice control, intelligent mapping, and strong suction so crumbs and spilled grains disappear fast. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Portion control is key, so serve about 1 cup per person to keep calories in check while enjoying a filling meal. Track toppings like roasted peanuts, sev, or coconut in small amounts to prevent calorie spikes. Pair poha with a side of yogurt or a small salad for protein and probiotics. Reheat gently to retain texture and avoid soggy flakes. Enjoy slowly to savor flavors and recognize fullness cues. Drink water before eating to aid digestion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.